Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
मेन पॉइंट येयलो 39A जो सबंद गोवा भर भाग आसता आनी सगळ्याकून आमकां आमच्या गोवाक घातक आसा. खुबशे जाणांनी आवाज उठयला तेचेर जे 39A चे जितले अप्रुवल्स दिला ते स्क्रॅप करचे. फुडें हॅन्सफोर्थ आमकां 39A च्या खंयचेच कन्वर्जन नाका खंयच्याच जाग्यार गोवा भर आमी करूंक शकना. पण विलेज पंचायत अंजुना कायसवान आमकां 39A नाका आनी नाका.
तेज्या बद्दल जे कोणी रेग्युलेशन घेतलो एप्लिकेशन घातलेले तांकां आमी आपोवन हाडटले आनी तांकां घेवन आमी MLA आमी कितें आहा
तेंचो कितें डिमांड आसा 39A
ते कितें म्हणटा अंडर 39A आहा ती आमची जमीन आहा ती अंजुनची आहा ती कन्वर्ट करपाची ना.
Today we had the CZMP discussion, and in this discussion we were talking about various aspects of the coastal zone management plan. The sand dunes where they are shown, and in some places they were not marked. There was a road shown on top of a sand dune beach where there was no road actually on the ground. We have the Sunset Beach. There is a tarred road leading to the beach, but it is not reflecting in the coastal zone management plan. Fishermen in our village have their structures on the shore, and none of these structures are currently representing on the CZMP plan. There are other structures which have come up recently, so there is right now a need to validate which are the structures which are genuinely the fishermen huts and which are not found in the immediate fields which are low lying. None of these water bodies are also currently reflecting in the coastal zone management plan.
एक पयलो CZMPचो प्लॅन आमी डिस्कस करपाक स्किलाचे घायला. पयलीं कितें आसलेलें आतां कितें जालें तें ताका लागून लोकांनी स्पेशल हिंगा जायतो लोक एकठांय जाला आनी हें हार्ड ऑब्जेक्शन घेयलां. आमगे विलेज आमकां जाय, आमगे विलेजस ज्यान आमचे दिलोली तीच विलेज आमकां जाय आनी तेजे भाशेन उरपा जाय.
मॅडम ऑब्जेक्शन काडले तुमी तें धाडटले न्हू फॉरवर्ड करतले
आमी CR धाडटा
धाडटले
CR धाडटा.